Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design this issue book form. Here you can see this, we have this stuff, we have these text box, here you can see this, we have this combo box, here you can see all the books which are available are here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to design this, and here you can see this. When I maximize it, all the text boxes sizes changed. So I'm going to show you how to do this. In previous video I have already shown you how to design this view student information and how to backend code for this. If you have not watched my previous video, then just go and watch my previous video. Okay, so let's start with this. First let me close this. Okay, so as you know that we are working with library video, so I'm going to work on that. Here you can see that. Let me start this and show you that. Here you can see this, we are done till here. Here you can see this, and when I click on issue book, nothing happened because we haven't code for this. So today I'm going to start with that. So first thing what I need is, as usual, we need one form. So for that, just right click on your project and just click on add, and after that click on Windows form. Here you can see this. After this, what we have to name is issue books, because this is an issue book form. So I'm going to keep the names similar with their feature so that we can easily identify them. Okay, so here let me just copy the size of this form from this one so that it looks similar. Okay, so I have copied this. Here you can see this 723 and 551. So let me just right click and go to properties, and here you can see this, just right here and hit enter. Here you can see this. Now the form size has been changed. So you need to observe one small stuff is that here you can see this, we have three panels here. These are the panels of different colors and the background color is orange. So let me just copy the background color first. So just click on the background, and after that here you can see this, this is a color code. You can manually write it or you can select from this. Okay, so just right click on go to properties and search for back color. Here you can see this, just write it and hit enter. Either you can do like this, just click on this small stuff web, and here you can search for wheat. Okay, so it's kind of, if wheat is a little light, you can select other color. Okay, so either you can just write this code 255 comma 192 comma 128. So I have used that. So after that I need one panel. So for that, let me just search for panel in the toolbox, drag and drop panel, and just put it over here, and you have to maximize it like this and just change its background color to white. Here you can see this, just click on this and click on white. Here you can see this. After this, you can observe one small stuff is that we have a picture box. Okay, so I have to add one picture box, and before that let me just copy the size of this panel. So just go, and here you can see the sizes 683 and 125. Just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so now size is nice, and after that we need one picture box. So for that I will search for one picture box and drag and drop one picture box over here, and let me set picture into this. So here you can see this, I have used one GIF like this, so I will add that GIF. So just click on this small triangle here, choose images, it will open your system directory. Just explore where you have put the image, where you have stored your image. If you have not downloaded my content image and icons which I am going to use in this project, just go to description and click over there. I have provided link for that. Okay, so just click on this, and after that which image I have used is this one, issue book. So just open it and click on OK, and here you can see this size mode. So you have to select stretch image. Here you can see this. In this way you have to make this large so that it look nice. Okay, so make it large up and down. It will not move out of your panel, don't you worry about that. Okay, so now it's looking nice. After that what we have is, we have one small stuff, that is issue book. This is a label, so let me add one label. Just drag and drop it over here and change this to issue book, change the text, its issue books and just change its font size. Okay, so let me make it a little bit large. And after that, search for font. Here you can see this. Just click on this. Okay, so it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, so we are here, bold, and select 14. Yeah, 40. That's nice. And after that, change its color so that it look nice. For color, let me select blue highlight. Okay, so that's nice. So I have selected the color highlight. Okay, so you have to select this. And after that, now task till here is done. After that, we have to add one more panel over here. Here you can see this. We have this panel. So let me add panel, one more panel. So search for panel. Just drag and drop it over here. And we have to place it like this and make it large. Okay, so actually let me copy the size of this panel so that you get aware of that, which size I am using. 259, 368. So just copy this and paste it over here. Just right click and go to properties, and there you will find the size. Here you can see this size. Just paste it. Here you can see this. That's looking nice. You need to move this little bit upside. Okay, so now it's good. In this, let me change the background first. So how to do that? For that, you have to just go to and search for back color. Click on this, and we have a little bit like this. Okay, so now it's like, it's looking nice. It's silver color. Okay, so after that, what we have is, we have one picture box, label, text box, three buttons. Okay, so I'm going to add one picture box, one label, three buttons, and one text box. So let me do that. So first thing, what is picture box? I have to add. So just drag and drop it over here. Here you can see this. After that, just click on this small triangle, choose image, click on import. And after that, which picture is used is this one. So click on OK, OK, and select this stretch image. And after that, what you have to do is we have to make it large so that it look nice. Here you can see this. Now it's looking nice. After that, below this, what we have is one label and one text box. So let me add that. One label, just drag and drop it over here. Change this name to, just go to properties and search for text, and here you have to set enter enrollment number. Hit enter and change the font size so that it look nice. So let me just change this one to 14. Okay, so it's quite large, so let me decrease the size of this one to 12. Okay, so it okay. Okay, so now it's looking nice. After that, what we need is one text box. So let me search for text box and drag and drop text box over here, and just go to properties, and we need to increase the font size of this one too so that it look nice. So let me just add 12, and let me just make this one large. So 12 is quite large, so let me just decrease this one to 10. Okay, so now it's looking nice. And after this, what we need is, let me just check this out, one button and actually three buttons: search, student, refresh, and exit. Okay, so just go to toolbox, search for button, just drag and drop button here and change this name to search student. Hit enter. Just make this one large. After that, we need to change the font size. So just go to font size, just click on this and click on bold 10. Okay, so now it's looking nice. And after that, you can see this, it's not adapting the background color, so that's why it's not looking nice. So you have to just change one property, that is flat style. Just go to properties of this button. After that, you have to select this flat style, and here you have to select pop-up. When you click on this, here you can see this, it's adapting the background color. In the same, we have to take two more buttons, that is refresh and exit. Just copy and paste to replicate. Here you can see this, Just right click on this, go to properties and change this button to refresh, and this one to exit. And the same way we have to change the flat style pop-up for the both of the buttons, and change the font as well. So just change the font to 10. Okay, so 10 and bold as well for the both of the buttons, bold and 10. Okay, so now it's looking nice. So let me just make this a little bit large like this. Okay, so now it's looking nice. So our task till here is done. So we are left with this stuff. So I have to add this one more panel. So let me just add one more panel here. So in the toolbox, search for panel. Just drag and drop panel over here and just make it large. Either you can do like this, or I can just go and search for an easy way. Just go to properties, just copy the size, just right click, go to properties, and this we have to search for size. Just hit enter. Okay, sorry, I have changed the location, so don't make that mistake. So just go to size and paste it and hit enter. Just move back this one to a proper position. And after that, what we have to do is we have to change the background color. So let me just copy the color code of this one. Just go to properties and search for back color. Here you can see this color code is 192, 255, 255. Either you can copy paste or you can manually write it over here. Just go to properties and search for back color, paste it over here and hit enter. Now background color is changed. So here we have some stuff, that is labels. Let me just count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 labels and 7 labels and 5 text box. This is a combo box, and this one is date time picker, and one button. So let me add these quickly, and we have one label here also. So let me just add these stuff. So label, let me just add this one, change this name to student name, hit enter, and after that just drag one more label, change this one to department, drag one more, change this one to student semester, drag one more, student contact, okay. So let me just drag one more, just go to properties and search for text, and this one to student contact, hit enter, and after that drag one more, and this one student email, and finally we left with one more, book name, hit enter, and this one too, book issue date. Okay, so I need one more label. Here you can see this, and below over here we have maximum 3 books can be issued to one student. This is also a label, so let me add this one label more. Okay, so change this text to maximum 3 books can be issued to one student. Hit enter, and we put it like over here and change the font size of this one. So just go to font and click on this, bold and 10. Okay, so now it's looking nice. And change the color. So for color we have to make this one to red. Okay, so put these stuff on the proper position and change the font as well. So how to do that? For that, let me just do the stuff like this. Okay, now it's looking nice. So we need to add text boxes as well. So just search for text boxes in toolbox and drag and drop it over here and just copy and paste to replicate. We need 5. So 3, 4 and 5. So and I need one combo box. So just drag and drop it for one combo box. And after that we need one date time picker. Okay, so we need date time picker, so just drag and drop it over here like this, and these are not on the proper position, so we have to move these stuff into the proper position with upside like this. Okay, so we have to change the size of these all text boxes, or select by pressing the Ctrl key, and after that you have to just increase the size of these like this. Let me just decrease the size of this little bit, so now it's looking nice. So let me just move these stuff a little bit right side. Okay, so after that we have to change the size of these text boxes, sorry, labels. So after that you have to just click on this. Okay, so no, actually it's regular and its size is 9. No, let me just increase a little bit more, so 10. Okay, so each text box size needs to be of 10. So let me just do that by selecting all the stuff. So I have selected all these, and after that just click on this and select 10 and hit OK, and the size of these all are changed now. So let me just move these stuff to a little bit in the center. Okay, so now it's looking nice. After this, what I need to do is I want to one button. So let me just add one button. Just drag and drop it over here. And after this, let me just change the name of this one. Text. Let me change the text. So text is issue book. Hit enter. Change the font and flat style. Here you can see this flat style. Just change this one to pop up and font to 10 and bold. Hit OK. And just make this one a little bit large. And this way you can do this stuff. Okay, let me just make it a little bit large and change the font of these stuff. So let me just change the font size to 10 and hit OK. Okay, so now it's looking nice, and just increase it the size of this one like this. Okay, so here we are done, but we have not connected this with our dashboard. So let me just start this, and you will find one small issue. So you can see this, when I click on this, nothing happened because we haven't linked that form with this one. So let me just link that quickly. So just select dashboard, just double click on this, and just double click on this issue book to generate a click event. And after that, what we have to do is we have to generate a object of that form. So issue book id equals new issue books. After that, what we have to do is ib dot show. Okay, and what we have to do is we have to actually change the start position of this one. So start position, change this one to center screen so that when I click on that, it open in the center of the screen. So let me just start this. And when I click on this here, you can see this, it's in the center. But we have small stuff still remaining, that when I click on this here, you can see this, nothing is changed. All the panels remain same. So I want this panel needs to be filled till here, as I have shown you previously. So how to do that? For that, just close this one and let me just show you. Just click on this and go upside, and here you will find one stuff that is anchor. So here you can see this, this is anchor. You need to just click on this and you have to select one more stuff, that is like this one and this one. When you click on this, it will, when you maximize the form, it scattered, it will make itself large enough to fill the all remaining space. So just save this, okay, and start this. When I click on this, when I maximize it, here you can see this panel is now filled with the till end, but these are not enlarged. So I have to do the same for these text boxes as well, and for these panels as well. So let me just close this. And after that, just select this panel and select the anchor property, and after that just select the right one because we have to make this large till the right side. Okay, so that's it. And for this one, just click on the anchor as well, and I want this to be filled down. So now let me just start this, and when you issue book and when you maximize it, here you can see this, now this is filled till here, now it's looking nice. And when you minimize it, it's in the back on the right position and in the right shape. And what I need to do is I need to change this text field. So let me just do that. For that, just select all the text boxes at once, and after that change the anchor and select these all. Just save this and start this once again, and just click on this and maximize it. Here you can see this, now it's looking nice and all the text boxes are now enlarged. So now what I want is these buttons and these labels needs to be right here. So how to do that? For that, just close this and just select these two stuff and change the anchor property to from this top left to top right. Just to remove one anchor property, just click on that, it will turn into white, it means it has been removed. So top right. Why I'm selecting this top right? So that because this side is top right. If I select the uh, top, sorry, right down, then it will be in the right side corner. So let me just start this, and when you click on this and when you maximize it, here you can see this, now it's here. So let me just change this property to top right. Okay, so let me just change the property to bottom. Okay, so bottom right. When I start this, you will find that when I click on this and maximize it, it's on the bottom side. So that's why if you need this is stuff here, so you can select the bottom right anchor, and if you select that right top, then it will be on the right top. So let me just remove that and move this back to its original position. So just save and start and click on this. So now it's working fine. So that's it for the today's videos, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to back end code for this form. So just stay tuned, and if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon and just share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.